Hello everyone, and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video we will see how to use a SCADA of a CAM system. This is the home page of the CAM lead Oxide production. From here you can choose which equipment to control. If we enter the mill, we can view all the process parameters. The motors that are running have a green light, while those that are off have a red light. You can view all process parameters, such as internal mill temperature, drum temperature, internal air speed and many others. Besides this, you can set all process parameters. You can check the process graphs in real time, and also all historical data. If you want, you can export all historical process data. A CSV file is generated and sent to your R&D department. After that, you have all the process graphs and also about the temperatures in the filter and the cylinder silo. Finally, there is the alarms section, where you can control the type of alarm and the solution. If you want high-performance lead oxide for your batteries, and you want a system that is truly simple to use, this is the solution for you. Send your request to info@cam-srl.com. CAM, the lead oxide specialists.